Welcome back. In this video, I will explain the concept of average linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm with the help of simple solid example. This is a given data set. For this data set, we need to apply the average linkage hierarchical clustering algorithm and Euclidean distance. So after that, we need to draw the dendrogram by using average linkage hierarchical clustering algorithm. In the average linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm, we need to compute the pairwise distance between the data points. So the pairwise distance between the data point can be calculated by using the Euclidean distance formula. So consider two data points P and Q with the values x1, y1, x2, y2. So the distance between P and Q is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. In this, we need to find the pairwise distance between all the data points. The calculation of the pairwise distance between all the data point is done in the previous video. Link for that video is given in the description below. In the average linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm, we will consider each data point as its own cluster. So here we have 5 data points 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will get the 5 clusters as C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5. Next, we need to check which pair is having the minimum distance. Here we can see that the pair 1 and 3 is having the minimum distance, that is 1. So we need to merge these two clusters. Once you merge these two clusters, we will get the new cluster as C13 and new clusters as C13, C2, C4 and C5. After that, we need to recompute the distance using average linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm between the cluster C13 to C2, C13 to C4, C13 to C5. So, in the average linkage agglomerative clustering, the distance can be computed by using this formula, that is distance between a comma b is equal to summation of distance between x comma y, where x belongs to a and y belongs to b, divided by multiplication of length of a and length of b. First, I will consider the first pair, that is a C13 to C2, and which is equal to average distance between the data points 1 to 2 and 3 to 2. So distance between 1 to 2 is 2 and distance between 3 to 2 is 2.24. That is what I have written here. Divided by length of A. Length of A means in the first cluster how many data points are there. You can see here in the first cluster we have 2 data points, so which is equal to 2 multiplied with length of B, which is equal to 1, because in the second cluster we have only 1 data points. So once you do the calculation, we will get the distance between the cluster C13 to C2 as 2.12. Next, I will consider the clusters C13 and C4 and the distance between these two clusters as 6.27. Similarly, we need to find the remaining distance. Once you find the distances, next we need to update this table with the new distances. Once you update the table, next we need to check which pair is having the minimum distance. Here we can see that the clusters C4 and C5 are having the minimum distance, that is 1.41. So we need to merge these two clusters. We will get the new cluster as a C45 and new clusters as a C13, C2 and C45. After that, we need to recompute the distance using average linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm between the clusters C13 to C2, C13 to C45, C2 to C45. That can be calculated by using this formula. So, first I will consider the pair C13 to C2. Average distance between the data points 1 to 2 and data points 3 to 2. The distance between 1 to 2 is 2. Distance between 3 to 2. 3 to 2 is 2.24 divided by the number of data point in first cluster is 2 and number of data point in second cluster is 1. So once you do the calculation, we will get the distance as 2.12. Next, I will consider the next cluster, that is between C13 to C45. So the average distance between the data points 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 5. So we have to put all the required values divided by the length of first cluster, that is number of data point in the first cluster is 2 and the number of data point in the second clusters is 2. So we'll get the distance between the cluster C13 and C45 is equal to 6.95. Similarly, we need to find the remaining distance. After that, we need to update the table with the new distance. Then we need to find which pair is having the minimum distance. Here we can see that the pair C13 and C2 is having the minimum distance as 2.12, and we need to merge this cluster. So we'll get the new cluster as a C132 and C45. Next, we need to recompute the distance using average linkage between the clusters C132 and C45 by using this formula. So, which is equal to average distance between the data point 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 5 and 2 to 4, 2 to 5. So we know all the values divided by length of first cluster. The length of first cluster is 3 because in the first cluster we are having the 3 data points, and the length of second cluster is 2 because the data point in the second clusters are 2. So once you do the calculation, we will get the distance between the clusters C132 and C45 as a 6.54. So after that, we need to merge these two clusters with a merging cost 6.54. So we'll get the final merge as C13245. Next, we need to draw the dendrogram. So first we merge the cluster C1 and C3 with a merging cost 1. After that, we merge the cluster C4 and C5 with a merging cost 1.41. Then we merge the cluster C13 with the C2 with a merging cost 2.12. Then we merge the cluster C132 with the C45 with merging cost 6.54. This is how we can find the distances, and we can draw the dendrogram by using average linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm. I hope the concept of average linkage agglomerative clustering algorithm is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.